Hi, this is Aaron from Galvin Engineering, and we're going to show you some programming features of the Iqua Touch. This is a series of videos that we've done going through the instruction manual, how to set each feature. Today's one will be on the restart of electronics. So what that basically means is you just restart the tap itself. It will do its light and ambient measurements of the area around it. This sometimes assists in making sure that the tap works correctly. Not too hard to do. This does not change any of the settings you've already set in the tap. So it's not a factory reset where you reset it all back to factory settings. That does not have that on this tap. If you wanted to set it back to all the factory settings, you would have to go through each one and change it back if you've gone through and changed any of the features from the factory settings. This just reactivates the tap so it does its measurements around the basin and bowl and gets the right ambient light measurements and the depth of the bowl and all that type of stuff. First thing we're going to do, as we always do with the Iqua Touch, which meaning that the sensor is not got any buttons or anything on it. The way they actually adjust it is covering the bottom part of the sensor. It's got a little sensor on the back side that sees the reflection, and by activating that, it allows you to program it. We always use a business card. It's just the easiest way to do it. It's quite reflective on the back of it. Nice white business card. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the card in front of the bottom half of the sensor for 2 seconds. This then puts it into the extended function mode, or what I call the programming mode. We remove the card and you do 2 quick crosses in front of it like that. For the half seconds each, take it away, and then you put it back in front of the sensor for 5 seconds, and then you'll see 4 flashes. Pull away, you release it, move away from the tap, it will automatically recalibrate itself. So 2 seconds, 1, 2, then back across, keep waiting. You let it go. That will now do a calibration of the area around it. Stay back away from it. I always recommend not having any of those really reflective vests on. They have the silver striping on it. That will bounce back the infrared right back into the tap. So I really recommend not trying to program these taps with those type of tops on, because that just bounces infrared light back straight away in any tap. Doesn't matter whose tap it actually is. We'll do that again. So once again, card in front of it 2 seconds, remove it, 1, 2, and quickly in front of it, remove it, card back in front of it 5 seconds. Once it starts doing its flash, after the quick flash that's in the beginning, you pull away and it'll restart it. So 2 seconds. There. 1, 2, back in front. Keep holding it. Now remove it. Those does its 4 flashes, meaning it's going to go ahead and do the ambient light calculation, depth of basin and all of that. And when you have water turned on, obviously the water's going to run. You can hear the solenoid click in and out. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Galvin Engineering on 08-9249-5900. Thank you very much for your time.